Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the tent. We're getting ready to carve up a heron out of this 8x8 log, and this is over 24. I think we're at like 32 tall here, but it's an 8x8 beam basically out of pine. The idea is to carve a heron standing in here with a fish in its beak. That's what I'm hoping for. So who knows? We'll see how it goes. We're gonna run the battery saws because it's actually getting into the evening hours, but I really want to get this piece done. So yeah, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, guys, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and stick around. We're gonna start making some stuff. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you are. Listen, I want to take just a quick couple minutes to share something with you guys. You know, sometimes I try to share things that I see a lot of real health benefits with, a lot of things that can help you in carving, obviously. Some things to help you with your business growth, right, as far as selling and some financial stuff. Today I wanted to share with you guys just a quick thing that me and my wife have been following, this quick course that kind of helps you with your small business, because I know I have carvers who want to sell stuff, artists that follow who want to like improve their business. We've recently been taking this course, and this course is something that can help you with branding, your digital marketing, how to set up an automation system, how to optimize your sales process, email marketing, branding expansion, content strategy. That's a big one if you're doing the TikTok and the Facebook and the YouTube. Content strategy, SEO strategy, success mindset. This also gives you tips on when and how to post on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And then it gives you some other business tools as well. We have found this this little course that we've been taking has really helped us like step our game up, right? A lot of this stuff has helped me with YouTube and with my presence on other social media sites, and I think it could help you guys as well. Something cool about the course is once you make the purchase, it's yours and you hold the right to it. And now you're able to help others by reselling it to them as well. So there's a ton of beneficial stuff in there. It is very, very informational. It has a lot of detail on the things I've just mentioned. Hopefully you guys will check it out. You can go down in the description below and you guys can find the link. It'll say Make Money with KyleHallWoodworker.com. Follow that, go there, check it out, and hopefully it's something that'll help you guys out. Again, hope you're enjoying this video. Be sure to stick around, guys. Thank you for watching and helping me grow this channel. I really do appreciate you guys. We're just over 17,000 subscribers, trying to hit 30,000 before the end of this year. So can only do it with you guys, with your help, with you watching and sharing and liking and commenting on videos. So thanks again, guys. You rock. I really do appreciate it. And let's keep going. Nice for something I don't carve all the time. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Just a reminder, I do have chainsaw carving tutorials on there for anybody that wants to learn. Also, big shout out and thank you to all my members. Again, you guys rock. Really do appreciate you. Also, if you guys haven't seen, we have channel merch. You can always support the channel by purchasing a shirt or a hoodie, coffee cup, something like that, and then you can rock my logo. Really do appreciate those purchases, so thank you guys in advance. Again, hope you're enjoying the video, and be sure to stick around. Here's the heron all done, guys, with the fish. I decided to go no color. Thought we'd just keep it wood colored for now. Got an event coming up, so I don't really have enough time to paint it, but we'll see how it does, you know. If they're interested and it sells, awesome. If it sticks around, then maybe we'll do some color on it in the future. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications. Let me know what you guys think about this piece. I appreciate all the new subs. You guys are awesome. Trying to reach that 30,000 mark by the end of this year. We're just over 17,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can double it, guys. I need your help. Hit subscribe, share it up, and check out some videos popping up. Have an awesome week. See you guys later.